Come with us to Disney's Blizzard Beach, where the snow never melts and the fun never ends. We kicked off our day scanning and stepping into this snowy-themed water park. Come with us as we explore. First, we popped into the gift shop to check out all of the fun souvenirs. From beach towels to adorable Nike gear, it's the perfect place to grab something fun for your day in the sun. Here's a look at the pinboard. We didn't trade this time, but it's always fun to stop and check it out. Then we jumped on the ski lift, one of the coolest parts of the park. It takes you high above the action with awesome views of the lazy river and all the slides. After that, we made our way to Tykes Peak, the ultimate play zone for little ones. It's the perfect spot for toddlers to splash around and explore. From relaxing rides to toddler-sized thrills, Blizzard Beach was the perfect mix of chill vibes and splashy fun.